Why do 70% of tech enthusiasts mix up supervised and unsupervised learning? Let's clear that up. All right, folks. Today, we're diving deep into the fascinating world of machine learning, specifically focusing on the differences between supervised and unsupervised learning. These two terms often get mixed up, but by the end of this video, you'll have a crystal clear understanding of both. So, let's get started. Imagine teaching a child to recognize fruits. This simple analogy will help us break down these complex concepts into something more digestible and relatable. In supervised learning, we show them labeled examples. Think of it as a classroom setting where a teacher is guiding the students every step of the way, providing clear instructions and feedback. Like, this is an apple, this is a banana. The teacher provides clear, labeled examples to help the child understand and learn. Each fruit is identified and explained. The child learns through these examples and can then identify fruits on their own. Over time, with enough labeled examples, the child becomes proficient at recognizing different fruits, gaining confidence in their knowledge. Simple, right? The key here is the guidance provided by the labeled data, which acts like a teacher, ensuring the child learns accurately. Now, flip the script to unsupervised learning. Here, we give the child a basket of mixed fruits with no labels. The task? To figure out patterns and group similar fruits together. This is where the magic of unsupervised learning comes into play, allowing for discovery and creativity. The child examines each fruit, looking for similarities and differences. They might notice that some fruits are round, some are long, some are red, and some are yellow. This process is entirely based on their observations. The kid might group apples with apples, bananas with bananas, purely based on similarities. This process of discovering patterns without any prior labels is the essence of unsupervised learning, fostering independent thinking. No guidance, just discovery. The child learns to categorize and understand the fruits based on their own observations and insights, developing their analytical skills. Supervised learning is all about predictions based on past data. It's like having a roadmap where every turn is clearly marked, ensuring you reach your destination accurately. Think of it as a detective solving cases with clues. The detective uses past cases and known information to solve new mysteries, relying on established knowledge. Unsupervised learning, on the other hand, is like an explorer charting unknown territories. The explorer has no map, no guide, just their instincts and observations, making new discoveries along the way. It finds hidden patterns without preset rules. The explorer discovers new paths and landmarks purely through exploration and curiosity, unveiling the unknown. So next time you hear these terms, you'll know one learns with a teacher, the other learns by exploring. Stay curious, tech explorers. Remember, both methods have their unique strengths and applications. Supervised learning is great for tasks where we have a lot of labeled data and need accurate predictions. Unsupervised learning shines in situations where we want to uncover hidden patterns and insights from data without any prior labels. Whether you're a detective or an explorer, the world of machine learning has something exciting for everyone. Keep exploring, keep learning, and stay curious.